Today we are going to talk about the debt management. Efficient debt management is a crucial step forward, financial stability and freedom. Now, looking at the understanding of financial situation, you have access your debits, evaluate your income. Access your debits, gather information about all your outstanding debits, including interest rates, minimum payment and balance. 2. Evaluate your income. Understand your monthly income from various sources such as employment, investment or government assistance. Now, looking at the debit repayments. Debit repayment is high interest debit or small balance. Talking about the high interest debit, focus on the payment of debit with the high interest. Wait first, as they are most costly and quickly accumulate. Smallest balance. Smallest balance, consider the salvo method, where you pay off the smallest debit first to build a moratorium and confidence. Number 3, we have consolidation. Consolidation, explore debit consolidation option such as balance transfer card or personal loan to simplify payments and potential low interest in rates. Looking at strategic for reducing debits. We are going to talk about 2 strategic or reducing debits. Number 1, increase income. Increase income, explore opportunity to earn additional income. A side hustle, finance work, or negotiating a higher salary. 2. Negotiating with creditors. Contact your creditors and attempt to negotiate lower interest with or more favorable repayment terms. Now, we are going to look at the budgeting and expenses tracking. Budgeting and expenses tracking classify into 4. Number 1, create budget, track spending, automate payments, review and adjust. Create budgets. Develop a detailed budget that allocates your income to necessary expenses like debit payments and savings. Track spending. Track spending. Utilize your budgeting app or spreadsheets to monitoring your spending and identify the area where you can cut back. 3. Automate payment. Set up automate payment for your billing and debit obligation. 4. Review and adjust. Review and adjust. Regularly review your budget and make adjustments as your financial situation or priorities to change. Now, looking at negotiation with creditor. Be polite. Gather information. Seek for opinion. Document everything. Be polite. Approach negotiation with a polite and cooperative attitude, as this can be often lead for more affordable outcome. 2. Gather information. Through the research your option and be prepared to present your cases to the creditor. 3. Document everything. Keep detailed record of all the conversation and agreements made with your creditors. Seek for opinion. Be willing to negotiate and find a mutual agreement between your creditors. Now, we are going to look at the building an emergency fund. Talking about building an emergency fund, we are going to look at assist needed, save goals, automate contribution. Assist needed. Determine the amount you need in your emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Typically, 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Set saving goals. Establish a realistic goals and timeline to build your emergency goal. 3. Automate contribution. Set up an automate contribution for your investments. What are the maintenance financial discipline? We are going to look at stick your budget, celebrate small winning, avoid purchase. Avoid micro purchase. Implement a waiting period before making a non-essential purchase to keep your impulsive spending. Stick your budget. Regularly review your budget and make adjustments as needed to ensure stay on the track. Celebrate a small winning. Acknowledge your progress and reward yourself for reaching your goals. Thanks.